So for this question, it is asking us, what emotions do both the written and oral speeches convey? How do Weisel's gestures and tone of voice enhance his oral speech? So this is a two-part question, and it gives us a CFS, which is a criteria for success for us to use. So our criteria for success says to include a claim about the similarities in each medium's portrayal, to include a claim about the differences in each medium's portrayal, to identify the techniques used in the non-written medium to present the topic, and to cite evidence from each medium to support your claim. So these are some words that you can use when it comes to technique. So I'm going to walk you through this step by step because it's asking what emotions do both the written and oral speeches convey? How do Weisel's gestures and tone of voice enhance his oral speech? So for our claim, for our similarities, we can say the emotions in both the written and oral speeches convey, and then you can tell me what those emotions and the written and oral speech show. So think about how he talks about his dead sister and people who have died in this experience. When you talk about death, what emotions do you show? So you can say the emotions in both written and oral speeches convey, and then put the emotion that it shows, and that's a similarity. Now we need to think about the differences that there are. So he has a difference by the way that he does gestures, tone of voice, to enhance his speech. So we can say, a difference from the oral speech has from the written speech is the, and you can say either gestures, tone of voice, or yeah, you can say gestures or tone of voice. Or you can say both. So a difference the oral speech has from the written speech is the gestures and the tone of voice, period. And then you can talk about those gestures. So he uses gestures, or you can say tone of voice, or you can say fast pace, slow pace, either one. But I'm going to start with, he uses gestures to show, or actually to emphasize. And what does he emphasize when he uses gestures? Think about it. What is he trying to show you? He's showing you emotion. So what is he trying to show you when he uses those gestures? What is he emphasizing? And then your last step is to say, in the text, he states, and you can go back to the text and talk about the specifics that he provides about people dying. I think it's in that third paragraph. And then you can state from the video that, or in the text it states, and then put the quotation marks, ... in quotation marks. And then we say in the video, he adds in a comment about who does he talk about in the thing or in the video that I've been talking about that shows his emotions and how he felt about her. Put that down in quotation marks. It's family member, remember. So once you write that one, then you're done with this question.